We're with one of the guys from the Guardia Civil, okay? This is something that I don't know, and if I don't know, I've been here 12 years, maybe you guys don't know. Now, if you've got an emergency, the number that you call in Spain is 112, but there are multiple services that can be of assistance for people in different situations. You've got police local, national police, and Guardia Civil. Guardia Civil cover multiple branches as well. They'll be involved with Trafico, to do with when you're being naughty when you're driving, keeping you safe. We've also got the section which is to do with border control and things like that.
Yes, from Fiscal y Fronteras.
But what you need to know is, and what I don't know is, what does the Guardia Civil cover, what does the National Police cover, and what does the local police cover? When do we need which particular service?
Okay, so if you are not sure who you have to call, you always call 112, because that's the whole dispatch, and they can send you medical services, Guardia Civil, local police, national police, whatever. If you don't know in the area, usually national police is in big cities and capital of province.
Okay.
Okay, so big cities.
So like Valencia in places like that.
Valencia, Alicante, all that kind of things. Guardia Civil is usually rural areas and smaller cities and all the roads that go between cities.
Okay.
Now, local police is for the town hall. You know, it's the police that take care of traffic inside the city because they know the regulations of each city, and they take care of things like noises, complaints about things that town hall is responsible. Okay. Nonetheless, we three are police, so we three are here to protect, and if it's an emergency, whomever you have closest, you call.
Okay. That explains everything. I know that...
Last thing, if you need to make a report, like a crime report, it's either Guardia Civil or national police usually. Local police normally don't take care of that. And you can make a report in any of the police stations or Guardia Civil or national police. They will make sure it gets to where it has to be.
Okay. Excellent. Thank you.
You're welcome.
In Torrevieja, the local police is near Carrefour. I think that's the one there.
The Centro Comercial Habaneras. That area, local police. Yeah, and, Carrefour, yeah.
Yes, and Guardia Civil are near the bus station just around the corner. The bus station that's currently in the town centre of Torrevieja, if you need them. If you're needing something to do with Trafico, instances on motorways and things like that, I believe the number is 062?
Yes, Guardia Civil is 062, National Police is 091, that it doesn't work in Torrevieja, National Police, and then 112 for the full dispatch emergency.
And 112 is also the ones that you would use if you need bomberos, the fire services, ambulances and things like that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And they contact us if it's also. So okay. 112 also covers us, but it's a little bit slower.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Bit of info for you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay guys, I'm going to tell you about an app called AlertCops. This is following on from the information you've just seen from the member of the Guardia Civil. This app you can install, I think it's available on Android and iPhone. As you can see here, it's showing where I am location wise. You got a home, share location, make sure you put your details in when you set the app up. And if you see something happening, and I've done this when I've been sat at a restaurant in the middle of Torrevieja, basically go here, you can report a danger or I need help and information. So we reported a danger. We basically said, and we did it through the chat option, so it gave our location. We said what the problem was in English. You can do it in multiple languages, I think, and they'll do the translation. Within 5-10 minutes, we got something like 4 Guardia Civil cars turned up, and it was literally around the corner from the Guardia Civil's main office. So basically what you do is you write the message and then put all the details in. I don't want to go any further because I don't want to do a false alarm, On the services, you can do various options in case you're in need of assistance but can't really talk, etc. Simulated call, so it simulates an incoming call just to get yourself out of danger. It's quite a useful app. As you can see, I've got this in English, so you can use this as an alternative if you didn't know it was available. I'll see if I can put links in the description for this. Can't guarantee it, but that's what you want to look for. When you look for the let's see if I can show you. There we go. So you can see it there at the top right on my screen. Just to show you at the top here, you can change your language. So either language that it is that you want to speak to them in. I feel a bit of a numpty, but you can see alert's been closed by the team.